Today, we enter the heart of Inner Mongolia's massive coal mine, where the 135-ton Komatsu PC1350-11R shows its raw power and unmatched precision. This is not just another machine at work. This is a giant of engineering built to dig deep, move mountains, and fuel the world. But behind every beast is a skilled operator. And in this video, we take you not only around the excavator, but also inside the cabin, where the real magic happens. Get ready for a powerful journey that blends technology, human skill, and pure earth-moving power. Komatsu PC1350-11R is one of the largest hydraulic excavators in its class, weighing 135 tons and delivering over 750 horsepower. Its bucket can scoop up 607 cubic meters of material in one pass, making it perfect for large-scale mining. But numbers alone don't tell the story. It's the operator who transforms this raw strength into controlled performance. Inside the operator's cabin. The cabin of the PC1350-11R is designed for maximum control and comfort. The operator sits in an air suspension seat, surrounded by joysticks, pedals, and monitors. Each control has a purpose. Joystick controls the boom and bucket curl. Pulling it raises the boom, pushing it lowers, and tilting moves the bucket in or out. Left joystick controls the stick, arm movement, and machine speed. Push forward to extend the stick, pull back to retract, and move sideways to swing the entire upper structure left or right. Foot pedals, used for moving the excavator forward or backward, and sometimes for auxiliary hydraulic functions. Monitors and sensors provide real-time data on fuel, hydraulics, and load monitoring to ensure smooth, efficient digging. A skilled driver uses these controls in perfect harmony. For example, while the right hand curls the bucket into the soil, the left hand swings the upper frame toward the dump truck, and the feet help position the entire excavator. It's like playing a giant orchestra of steel and hydraulics, where timing and precision mean everything. traditional techniques. Operators use cycle efficiency. An experienced operator minimizes swing time by positioning the truck at the best angle. Smooth hydraulics. Avoids jerky movements that waste fuel and put stress on the machine. Bench work. Excavating in layers ensures stability and prevents wall collapse in deep mines. Load balance. Filling trucks evenly avoids overloading and ensures safer hauling. PC1350-11R also comes with advanced hydraulics that allow for fine control. So even though it's a 135-ton giant, the operator can move it with the accuracy of a much smaller machine. This makes the excavator not only powerful, but also surprisingly precise. Human connection. Every scoop of earth here represents hours of planning, teamwork, and responsibility. The coal revealed beneath will later turn into the electricity that powers homes, factories, and cities. It's a reminder that behind every flick of the joystick, there's a chain of impact reaching across the world. The driver in that cabin isn't just moving soil, he's helping keep the lights on for millions of people. We close this incredible showcase. The Komatsu PC1350-11R stands tall as both a beast of engineering and a symbol of human progress. Its 135-ton frame, its unstoppable digging force, and the skill of the operator together create a performance that is nothing short of breathtaking. Thank you for watching this powerful journey into the heart of mining. If you found this video inspiring and educational, don't forget to like, share, and comment your thoughts below. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more professional, emotional, and powerful stories from the world of heavy machinery. Together, let's keep celebrating the giants that move the earth and the skilled hands that control them.